guys, it's 9:44 and welcome to episode 2 of the unboxing. Sorry for all the sudden endings, but we had to do stuff. Anyway, I did do another video, but it was too long, so because I'm filming on tablet, it's pretty hard to do it. So this is Trixie in her full form, which is really hard to show you. If I can. Trixie, look forward. Look forward, Trixie. So, this is the first button. It's really, really cool. If you want to get, please, shut up. Naughty cat. Now, if you want to get a Christian Girls dolls, all I want to say is they're pretty low quality because of the dress and stuff, and how thin their arms are and stuff, but they're pretty awesome. If you want to get a Christian Girls, that's fine. They're awesome. I love them, and the only reason I wanted Trixie is because I said I had her, and I didn't. I got in shock and I just really wanted her, but now I've got it. So yeah. That is the end of the vid. This is Mama. And then